guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and to be honest, Valentine's Day is one of my favorite holidays. So in honor of Love Day, or SAD, Singles Awareness Day, I'm gonna be showing you guys some pink beauty products. I think it's only fitting, right? Some of these I've had, some of these I just bought, but everything in this video is kind of Valentine's Day. Before we get into it, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, and let me know in the comments down below if you are a celebrator of Valentine's Day. Do you hate it? Do you love it? Let me know. Okay, let's get into the video. This first product is a lip plumping mask called Heartbreaker by the brand Truly, and it was $14 at Ulta. So cute. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that. The directions say apply to lips and leave for 3 to 5 minutes before washing off. This is a plumping mask, so I assume it's supposed to like plump your lips up. Let me show you before of my lips. Oh, they're kind of crusty. Don't look too close. This mask smelled super minty and had a very nice cooling sensation. I want to distribute the hearts evenly. Oh, why would I do that? Why would I do that? Tell me that's not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your entire life. So I'm going to leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes and get back to you guys. Okay, hello, it's been like 5 minutes. I'm very curious to see if it worked. Did it work? Let's see. I don't really care if it worked. It was fun and it was super cute. This next product is a lip gloss balm by the brand Laneige. So this one is berry flavored and it actually came in a pack of 2, but the other one was purple, so it didn't make it into the video. Let's try it. Very berry-like. I'm not the biggest fan of lip glosses, but I really like this one because the gloss wasn't super sticky and it gave me a nice little tint. Love this one. It smells delicious. Gives you that nice little tinted gloss look. Next, I use this product so often. It's one of my favorites. It's Benetint's. It's Benefits Benetint. You can actually use this for your lips or your cheeks. It's just a tint. I believe the smaller size is around $18 and the larger size is $30. That's a lot. Okay, keep in mind, don't have my glasses on, don't know what's going on. Gives you that nice little glow of flushed red cheeks. Super cute. So next, this is another heart product. This product is Too Faced Love Light Highlighter, and this one is $30. Okay, don't judge me. I don't have a proper highlight brush. I'm gonna just be using this chunky one. All the makeup gurus are gonna come after me. They're like, what are you doing? I'm trying. That's what I'm doing. So I'm actually not sure if this is the area you're supposed to put highlight in, but I also like doing the tip of the nose. And I really love when people do the Cupid's bow, so let me just swipe it a little bit. Look at that nose highlight. Like, sorry, did the sun just come up? Okay, next product is so cute. These are acne patches by the brand Truly. Comes with 3 sheets for $10, so I'm not really sure if that's a good deal or not. So the one time I want a pimple, I don't really have like a good example of one. I'm not complaining. I'm just saying I wanted to try this out to see if it works. I have a tiny one right here, so I'm gonna use that one as an example. So you just peel off the sticker. Watch it not be in. What? I didn't even have the sticker. There we go. There we go. That's kind of an interesting spot. So I can't really review this product because the pimple is still there. We'll see tomorrow if it got smaller. Next product is another lip product, so I have to take this gloss off. These two mini glosses are from the brand Buxom or Buxom. The darker one is in the shade Claire and the lighter one is Pink Champagne. My sister gave these to me, but I'm pretty sure you can get them for like $15 for a pack of 2. Very tingly. I'm pretty sure this is a lip plumping gloss, so there is a tingling sensation. Wow, my lips are really getting plumped up today. I'll be honest, I'm not the biggest fan of super sticky glosses because like I like to eat and drink and like the hair gets stuck in, you know, it's just a whole thing. This is a cute baby pink color. Last product of this video I actually got for free for my birthday. Ulta gives away Too Faced Better Than Sex. Better Than Intercourse mascara for your birthday. And it comes in a cute little heart shape, so I decided to include it in this video. But look how cute, you get a whole mini sized mascara for being born. I'm already wearing mascara right now, so I'm just gonna do like a second coat. I don't know if it was because I was already wearing mascara, but this one definitely added volume to my lashes. And that's it for the video. I hope you guys liked watching me review all these pink products. I hope you guys have a very good Valentine's Day and know that you are so loved. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these beauty product reviews, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Why would I do that again?